Hi everyone. I know still a lot of Texans are dealing with the after effect of the recent freeze with their houses, plumbing, and our gardens. It's very sad and disheartening to see our plants, trees, and our landscapes in this situation. Last week was pretty tough when our plants exposed to severe freezing condition. What does it mean? This happened before and it also mean it's likely going to happen again. Historical Texas freezes happened in 1899, 1989, and last week in 2021. The freeze that we had been was very unique to our landscapes. Of us have seen temperatures that we never seen before. Last week it was freezing temperatures, and this week we are having a beach weather. A week below 7 degrees of weather, and the next week we are here in 70s. That's the challenge for our plants. So, what to do, what happened, and where to go from here? That's what we are discussing now. It's too early to get into conclusions, so please wait. Plants have a way to fight through this and let them attempt to regrow. So we have to wait and try to be patient. Then we will be pleasantly surprised. So leave the plants alone for at least couple of weeks. Observe them and give these plants a chance to push new growth. Don't give up on them. Do the scratch test that I showed in my last video. If you see the brown or pale when you scratch the branches, then mostly that branch may not made it. Keep testing at the base of the plant, and whenever you see the green, that's alive. Again, don't go ahead and prune those branches that are brown. If we get another freeze, that will protect the plant, so please do not prune right now, and also do not fertilize. Leave the plants alone for a week, and after a week amend the soil and replenish the trace elements and minerals to the soil. Use humates, ocean harvest, microlife. These are very good to the soil. And another great soil amender is azomite. I'll put all the names below in the description. So right now, if your plants looks like this, don't give up on them. I know our natural tendency is to prune them and clean everything up and make it look more aesthetically pleasing, but we need to learn to embrace the ugly for at least next few weeks. This freeze is a learning event for us. I'm learning a lot already. Let us share each other experiences and document those. I appreciate if you can put your plant pictures in the comments so that we can learn from each other. What survived and what not. That will help us to garden better and smarter in the coming years. Our experts at AgriLife Extension are doing a webinar this Friday, Feb 26th at 4 p.m. I'll put that link below in the description. Please try to attend and we can learn a lot, and most of our questions about our fruit trees, turf will be answered. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll put the Aggie chat link as well in the description. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I hope this video helped to answer few of your questions. Thank you.